Menteri Ketenat Ports, Shipping and Highways ka Sorkar Pedeng. Usar Bananda Sonowal, ulayaro ikirukom trekam kibawanra ikijingkala Hapoh ka Sorkar. Kabalalam da kaseng BJP, haga Jingialam kilat pathai kubor hasilong hemne kasngi. Habale kemen ya ka Viksit Bharat ka Amrit Gal, ula ay jingaro ikijingkiw kayo ka kod ka India. Kajing treshitom badia kerukom sensyar ka basay, kabala penlong ya kari kum kaway nakiri kibakiw stet kayo ka kod ha ka perthai. Sonowal ula pensyai bapalat nyo point r lak lur tingka labatha na kabenta karoy kapa chong kathan chatay lamingi da ka jingtay ya ki jingtay bat ki chaka puli ki bakongsan ula Pynpaw ru ba saw point san lak lur tingka lathmu banbay ha ka North East Investors Summit ka ba pen ya ka jingken tiu shu ya karoy kapar ha kathan.
Region now become one of the growth engine of for the entire country. So how it has happened in the 11 years? Because of the Honorable Prime Minister's special initiative, special drive for the overall growth of Northeast. Now this has become a reality, and in the recent past, Ministry of Donors had organized a Rising Northeast Investor Summit at Delhi. Honorable Prime Minister had inaugurated, and in that particular meeting, a lot of global industrial houses were present, and ultimately with their active participation, we got a promise of worth of rupees 4.5 lakhs crores investment.